friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Twisted Squirm from Dandy's World, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started on the top, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice thin sideways oval. Now from here underneath, we're going to curve this out on the left and right hand side. We're going to draw in the drip pattern here. So we're going to curve this down, around, in, and then back up. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left, just making this slightly smaller. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to make this bigger though. Now let's come up. We're going to curve this line down on both sides. Now from here on the left, we're going to curve this line up. And then from that point, we're going to arch this down and back through on the right. Again, we're going to tuck this over and in. And then we'll replicate on the right, just curving that down. Now from here on the left-hand side again, curving this in, replicating that on the right. This is just going to draw in the little cocoon. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left-hand side again, pulling that down, making this wider as we come in towards the top. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the bottom, ending that at the same height. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line in slightly. Coming over, curving that out. Now from here underneath, we're going to arch this around and in. And then again on the right-hand side, tucking that down. And then now let's just curve this line over, connecting that together. We're going to draw in a drip pattern again. So we're going to curve this line down, up, back down. Again, we're going to bring this line up, back down. We're going to draw this dripping up. So we're going to curve this in, around, and down. And then again, just following this through, curving this up and over. Let's close this off with a curved line. So we're going to curve this across from point to point. Let's come down, replicating that. And then we'll do the exact same thing over here, just curving this through, extending that underneath, closing that off. We're going to draw in a small circle on the top left, and then coming down, drawing in a small circle again. Let's leave a gap now for the head. We're going to curve this line over on the right. Now for the body, arching that in on both sides. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, in, back out, and up. And then we're just going to draw in a small circle beside that. On the right-hand side, again, curving this out, in, and back through. And then again, just drawing in a small circle. Let's close off the head now. So from that corner, we're just going to curve this all the way around and then down on the right. Let's draw on the eyes upside down. So leaving a gap on the left, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. Coming underneath, let's draw in a nice big half circle. Stepping in towards the middle now for the pupil, let's replicate that again. Now let's come over towards the inside edge, drawing in a circle. And then stepping across, we're just going to add a second one, making that even smaller. And then now from here, let's just color in our eye black in the middle. Now in the center, let's draw in two diagonal lines, joining in the middle. And then we'll continue to curve those up on the top of the head. Let's extend two curved lines underneath on either side. And now for the mouth, we're just going to draw in a wavy line as we come over to the right. Let's draw in a circle in the corner of the eye. Coming down on a diagonal, let's replicate that. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw on the ears. So leaving a gap in the center, we're going to come down, curving this around, tucking this over and back in. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, tucking this over, curving that down. Let's arch that back in towards the top of the head. Let's draw on the drip pattern again, curving this down, being a bit wavy with that line as we come over. Replicating that on the right. Now let's draw on the arms. So coming down, we're going to curve this line in. Let's continue to arch this up towards the thumb. Now let's curve the thumb in. So we're going to curve this line out, tugging that back through. For that finger now, we're going to tuck that in, curving that back up. Again, in the center, let's replicate that, tucking that through. And then again, one more time, we're going to arch this down. And then lastly, we're just going to close this off by curving this all the way around and in towards the side of the body. And that is it. That's how you draw Twisted Squirm from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.